Domino's, the pizza company, suffered a huge data leak in India, first reported in April 2021. Data in the leak included phone numbers, emails, names, home addresses, payment types, and social login tokens of employees and customers. All data was published online. Using a search engine, you could easily locate incredibly sensitive personal information of thousands of people. Jubilant FoodWorks, the company that operates Domino's India, said in a statement that no personal financial data was accessed in the attack. 2 months after the attack, the Indian government informed the Delhi High Court that they had blocked and removed all of the hacked URLs. Despite this, some data experts said the damage had already been done, raising further concerns about data security in India.